KinderBright.
Let's sing the ABC song. A is for apple, B is for ball, C is for cat, D is for dog, E is for elephant, F is for fish, G is for giraffe, H is for hat, I is for ice cream, J is for jelly, K is for kite, L is for lion, M is for monkey, N is for nest, O is for orange, P is for penguin, Q is for queen, R is for rabbit, S is for sun, T is for tiger, U is for umbrella, V is for violin, W is for whale, X is for xylophone, Y is for yo-yo, Z is for zebra. Now we know our ABCs. Great job singing with us.